Join us on a whimsical journey with a young hero who eyes the world of vegetables skeptically. In this magical world, greens are not mere side dishes but gateways to thrilling adventures. Our hero, initially believing vegetables to be dull, encounters a lively squad of animated veggies. Carrot, with his eye-opening zest, broccoli, the robust green tower, and spinach, the leafy guardian of hidden strength. United, they promise tales of taste, health, and joy. Watch as our hero's curiosity is kindled, setting the stage for a transformational narrative that resonates with the exploratory heart in each of us. Our adventure teems with potential, ready to unfold. Continue the enchanting tale in the vegetable adventure, where whimsy and wisdom enrich our journey. Each vegetable encounter reveals new stories and secrets. Picture a carrot rich in vision-enhancing beta-carotene and a broccoli brimming with vitamin C and K, turning our meals into guardians of our health. The adventure seeps into delicious culinary experiments, from carrot fries to creamy broccoli soup, showcasing vegetables as stars of versatility and delight. Engaging mini-challenges, like naming greens or identifying vegetables by their shadows, inject fun, building a deep, respectful bond with nature's bounty. Watch as our hero's initial reluctance transforms into an eager embrace of the vegetable world, expanding their culinary horizons. This journey is not just about discovering the joy of eating vegetables, but about growing, accepting, and celebrating life vibrantly. As we head towards the conclusion, our adventure celebrates how creativity and curiosity blend into a vibrant vegetable kingdom. Our journey culminates in a grand celebration where a feast showcases the Earth's bounty in a kaleidoscope of colors and flavors. Our hero, once dubious, now revels in the joy of discovery alongside loved ones, savoring dishes that embody crispiness, savoriness, and sweetness. This isn't just a meal, but a jubilation of wise choices, newfound favorites, and the epiphany that vegetables are a celebration for the taste buds. We invite you, explore the world of vegetables, guided by curiosity, and uncover the sumptuous feast awaiting. Every vegetable has a tale, eager to be part of your narrative. Let's transform every meal into a vibrant celebration.